Hello my babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a home decor haul, a very affordable, cute home decor haul. And today we are in my office slash beauty room slash hoarding space because behind the camera it's not so cute as it is right here. So this room is a work in progress. Everything that I'm going to show you today, I eventually want to put onto these walls one way or another. But for now, I'm going to just show you on camera, and I'm going to be sharing where I did pick up all of these pieces because you know that I'm all about the deals and the bargains and the coupons and the affordable stores, and you know that I love TJ Maxx and Homegoods and Marshalls and Kirkland's, all those stores, and you always find the cutest, most unique things, so I'm really excited. Also, you guys, we recently just hit 20,000 subscribers on this channel, which is so unbelievably crazy to me. I feel so incredibly blessed. I feel like it was just the other day that I just started this channel and I have just only 100 subscribers, and I thought it was the coolest thing and I celebrated. I was so happy. And now fast forwarding, now I have 20,000 people that even want to watch my videos. It's mind-blowing to me. It's so crazy, but I'm so unbelievably thankful. And I'm excited to grow our YouTube fam even more. So if you aren't subscribed, please do join our YouTube fam and hit that subscribe button. And then also don't forget to hit the notification button so that my videos always show up in your subscription feed, because I know now with a new YouTube algorithm, videos don't always show up in order, or they don't even show up at all sometimes. So please make sure you are subscribed and make sure you hit the notification bell. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, thumbs it up, and don't forget all my socials and everything are down in the description box below, along with any other information or anything that I can link down below. Alright, so starting with the items that are right on my desk, right behind me. If you did not see, I did upload a video on how I made my desk. I built this completely from scratch. I did it myself, and I showed some of the decor items on here as well as the mirror. So I will put that video somewhere up here so you guys can click on it if you want to watch how I did a DIY buildable IKEA desk dupe for like under $75. Anyways, so starting with this here is probably my most loved and favorite home decor item that I recently picked up. I don't know if you can tell really on camera, but it is holographic. It's kind of like a pearl toned holographic color. And if you can tell right here, there is a satchel of fragrance beads. So not only is it really pretty, but it smells really pretty too. It says love, and I picked this up for about $5 at TJ Maxx. Oh, love. Oh, okay, so next item is this marble, very heavy marble container. My kitten actually broke this, so I have to glue it back together. Hence why it looks really weird on the screen, but it is just a marble container, and I don't have anything in it except for my Pancheros burrito thing. I was wondering where this went. Anyways, and a battery. Alright, well, welcome to Brianna's hoarding life. Anyways, I bought this on clearance at TJ Maxx for $14. What a steal. I love the gold trim. I love anything marble, so I had to have it. Next thing is, oh, there goes my lip gloss. Next thing is this mirror from Impressions Vanity, but Impressions Vanity is now sold at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and this was on sale for 15 bucks. I picked it up and snagged it as fast as I could, and I'm at TJ Maxx and Marshalls all the time, like at least once a week, just scoping out new items, and I see these every time that I go, and there's so many of them. And if you know anything about Impressions Vanity, they are pretty pricey. Not this exact mirror, it's not too bad, but at TJ Maxx and Marshalls you can find these for half of the retail price, so keep that in mind. And then this little guy, as well as that little guy over in the corner, they're both from Homegoods. They're just planted little house plants that are fake, obviously. And I just think these are really fun, and they add really cute pops of color in any room. So I love those. And then these I see everywhere. And I don't know how much they retail at any of the other stores that people are getting them from, but I bought this from TJ Maxx for 13 bucks. And you can use these for so many different things. So this does lift up, and you can place anything in here that you want to. This would be great for makeup organization or brushes, but I have a couple body chains in there. Just random little body chains. But yeah, $13 for this. Such a steal, I had to get it. My first wall decor piece is this print right here, which I think is just so simple but so colorful and fun. I still have the sticker that I need to take off here, but this was about $10 from TJ Maxx. I did see this at Homegoods as well, but I thought it was just so fun. I thought this would be something really cute just to add a couple pops of color to any wall, and I also really liked the distressing on this frame. And it was such a good steal, I had to pick it up. I wish there would have been two, so I could have had a matching set, but that's okay. So I've wanted a shelf like this for the longest time, but they were either way too overpriced or I just didn't like the look of them. but gold and white that just screamed my name. And I got this on a mega sale. Where is the, yeah, $17 from TJ Maxx for this wooden floating shelf with this beautiful golden flower detail. Gorgeous. I could not believe it. I have these two really cute photo frames. I love the gold detail and I love the shape of this one. I thought these were a really cute, like matchy pair that I could put on that floating shelf that I just showed you. These were $6 each from TJ Maxx, and how cute are they? You can put whatever you want in there. You can put little graphics or you can put pictures, and the gold detailing of these are just the cutest. They're so modern and so chic and so simple and such a good deal. $6? That's amazing. I also have so many of these geometric, shoot, what are these called? Terraniums? Geometric terraniums, and I have these copper little fairy lights inside them, and once you turn it on at night, they are so beautiful. And with these, you do have the really fun option to hang these from a ceiling because they do come with these chains. But even so, these are just so cute just to lay on a floating shelf or on a desk. They're so pretty. I've picked up about 4 of these, all in different sizes from TJ Maxx and Marshalls and HomeGoods. They're everywhere and they're only around $8 to $10. How cute is this? You can hang it from a door or a nail on the wall, anywhere. And this was $9.99. It was such a good deal from TJ Maxx. I'm all about little inspirational things like this, and all the colors are just so pretty. I would love to just hang this on my wall and look at it every day and be reminded to make today amazing. Okay, so speaking of beautiful watercolor wall art, this is beautiful. I actually have another one that I picked up last year. It's just a smaller one, so this is just the larger version because I'm that obsessed. But it says love in white acrylic paint. It is pastel watercolors and it has this glitter gold little polka dots all over it. How cute is this? This was from TJ Maxx for about $12. Such a steal. Okay, so next I have this beautiful lamp from Ross. I actually have 2 of them as a matching pair, but the other one is on my bedstand in my bedroom. I eventually want to get 2 nightstands and then have matching lamps. That's why I bought 2 of them. But for now, this extra one is just hanging out on my desk in the corner. How beautiful is this detail? I love mirrors. I love anything that shines and sparkles. The lampshade also sparkles and has some glittery little effects in there. And guys, this was only $17. $17. Okay, this is a beautiful, very affordable wall sconce. I only wish that I would have picked up another one because I only have this one and I'm all about like matching and having 2 of things, but nonetheless, this was such a good deal and I had to have it. It's so beautiful, so I was fine with just the one. This is from TJ Maxx. It was about $8. This is a really good size. You can put a little candle right here. It has this jar, and look at this. This is just gorgeous. I love this print. And the mirror background, this looks so expensive. Definitely more expensive than just $8. Like, I would never have ever have guessed that dollar amount for this wall sconce. One of my all-time favorite sayings: be a pineapple, stand tall, and wear a crown, or sometimes it even says even be sweet on the inside, which I absolutely love. I have this pineapple saying on my Instagram, in my house, on a picture, and even on like a towel in my kitchen. I love this and I love pineapples, so it's just so fitting. And you guys, this was on clearance. I don't know why it was on clearance. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it, but it was on clearance for $11. So I had to get it. The detail and the paint coloring, the word font, everything about this was just perfect, and I had to get it. Be a pineapple, stand tall, wear a crown, and be sweet on the inside. So for my most recent purchase, this was from Ross for $8.99, blowing my mind. I love Ross. It says fall in love with as many things as possible with this beautiful textured flower print. I thought this was gorgeous and I love this saying. I'm all about inspirational, like motivating, positive quotes like this. So this was perfect. Fall in love with as many things as possible, and it's gorgeous, which is such a plus. I love colorful floral prints, and this is really textured. It looks much more expensive than just $8.99 from Ross. So such a steal, and they had other ones like this as well, but I had to get this one. So that was the last thing in my home decor haul. My pile is now empty. If you guys like this video, thumbs it up. If you want to see more home decor videos like this, then let me know. Be sure to check out my DIY desk video. I will link it down below, and I also have it here at the end slate. It turned out really well, and I'm really happy with it. I think you guys will love it. And thanks for the love so far on that video. All right, you guys, I love you so much. All my socials are down below. Subscribe if you aren't already. Join our YouTube fam. Hit that notification bell. All right, you guys, I love you, and I will see you in a few days with my next video. Bye.